I used to get 400,000 to 500,000 views on this channel, but now I'm averaging around 1,000 views per video. But this month I made $11,000, which is 4 times higher than anything I've ever made before. So I'm gonna share the secrets with you that I've learned to make more money with less views on YouTube. I switched this channel up about 4 months ago. I started talking about YouTubers and business for the first time ever, and my views dropped with that change. First thing I did to offset that drop in ad revenue was I put together this 3-month sponsorship package, which basically offered companies to sponsor the channel for 3-month slots at a time. I approached companies on LinkedIn with my new 3-month package and got 2 companies to sign up for the 3-month slot in that single month alone. So chasing brand deals was the first thing I did to make more money from less views on YouTube. The sheer size of the drop in views on this channel meant that my ad revenue got so low that I couldn't pay my rent with it anymore. So I enrolled in other YouTubers' masterclasses, I bought their courses, I attended VidSummit, I studied other YouTubers' channels to see what others were doing that I could do to make more money. And after doing all that, I started my own agency and I used my YouTube channel as an online portfolio to help me win new work. And in that first month alone, I won a video production job and a job making a merchandise store for another YouTuber. I put the $11,000 that I earned back into this YouTube channel by hiring a team, buying equipment, basically treating this channel like a business. It's the same thing gaming YouTubers are doing right now to make millions and now even billions of dollars through their channel. This video I made in the past breaks down everything gaming YouTubers are doing right now to make billions of dollars for the first time ever, so you should watch that next. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I've been Greg, you've been great, peace out.